Hello everybody. I'm here again trying to be consistent, yay me. But this video is going to be a Petit Vour subscription unboxing. I have my Petit Vour box and I have yet to try any of the items in it, so here's the card for March, right? Yeah, March, because it's April. I haven't gotten my April one yet, but we're going to unbox this. And I'm going to try things on my face. Or just try things, you know, because I don't know if it's all face products. I haven't really looked at it. Okay, let's just get into it. We have a Pacifica Coconut Water Micellar Cleansing Tonic. Oh, it says it removes stubborn makeup, which I will try this on my face. I brought a cloth, so we'll see how well that works. Another item I got is Momi by Modern Minerals Styling Jelly. It looks like this. I like the packaging and the little face on it. It's quite cute, So, two more items. We got a perfume, I believe. Inkling Scents. I believe it's perfume. Does it say it's a perfume in here? Yeah, roll-on perfume and sultry. You know, if you're feeling feisty and sultry, just swipe this on your wrist. I've been in quarantine too long. I'm gonna go crazy. But here's a cute little roller ball. I love roller balls. Roller balls. I love roller balls because they're so easy to just chuck in your purse. Oh, this actually smells really good. I will try this on my skin. Actually, you know, I'll put it on my skin right now. It smells so good, but I hope it, like, you know, meshes well with my body chemistry. Because, you know, you can buy perfume and it does not smell good on you like it smells on someone else. Oh, this is a really sexy scent. Sultry is right. This is date night right here. Going out on night on the town. Gonna wear that scent. Oh my god, it smells so good. Does it tell you what? Oh yeah, it does tell you. Like, the notes. That's the word I'm looking for. The notes are, it says, apply this rollerball perfume for an aroma of creamy sandalwood, amber, lotus flower, orchid, and Bulgarian rose, and silky vanilla. That is a beautiful blend. And I'm gonna have to check the full pricing. It's $15 for this rollerball, which isn't bad at all. It's cheaper than the ones at Sephora. I think they're 20 something, 25. I haven't bought one in a while, but I'm so happy with this. I love me some perfume, and it'd be very good around this time, being at home, if you just want to like uplift your mood. Just put on a little perfume, you know, make yourself feel good. The last item is Natural Definition Eye Pencil from Alima Pure. Comes in a box. I'm gonna unbox it. And it looks like this. Really simple. I mean, it's an eye pencil, right? Nuts. Oh, it's brown. I was expecting it to be black. You know what? I'm going to try this before I try the micellar. Because, where's my mirror? Hold that thought. Hold that thought. Okay. Got my mirror. I'm gonna try this on my eyeballs. You wouldn't really be able to see it if I tried to line it, probably. If any of you guys have like suggestions for like a good eyeshadow primer, let me know. I haven't tried the Terramere one again in a while since I did the video. I'm gonna try using it again, see how I like it, but concealer definitely is not working because I'm a creasy mess and it looks blotchy. And I haven't had this makeup on that long. But I'm gonna try to line my eyeliner, my eyelid, you know. Huh, it's not that bad. And I never do liner, so do not judge me on my liner skills if you can see it. It's a pretty firm pencil, but it's not too hard and it doesn't like pull at your skin. It glides easily, I would say. I'm gonna do a baby wing. That's good enough for me. I don't know if you guys can see it. I lined it on the side. Looks pretty, what's the word? I like, my brain's not working today. But you know, there's like no skipping. It's not tugging at the skin. It's opaque. There you go. It's opaque, you know? It's not skipping. There's not like eyeshadow coming through. And it's a really nice chocolate color like this. I'm happy it's not black. I feel like I always get a black liner, and I'm really happy that this one is black. Perfect for those no makeup days. I'm gonna play with this more. Definitely. I already tried the perfume. I'm gonna try putting some of this in my hair. Guys, my hair is just a frizz ball. I have not, oop, I just lifted it and it went, well, you heard the noise. Sorry. I need help. Okay. I have not put hair product in my hair since we've been in quarantine. So this will be a nice little treat. I'm gonna wash my hair today anyway, so I'm just gonna put some in my curls. This probably would be best. I don't know, I have to try it out first. But I feel like since it says it's a jelly, I feel like it would be best for like updos, not necessarily down curly hair. It smells quite perfumey itself. It's a nice scent. It's very woodsy. I'm just gonna put some in my hair. It's definitely a jelly consistency, so I think this will work best for updos. So I definitely will try that again. Love the scent though. It smells really good. Oh, geez. I really like it. I'm gonna give this a go if I ever decide to do a bun or a ponytail ever again. Because I also ran out of my last hair tie because it broke. But now to try the last and final thing, the Micellar Water. I wonder how well this is gonna take this makeup off. Oh, it doesn't have like a seal. Definitely smells like coconut. That coconut smell is strong. That is really strong coconut. But I'm gonna take my little towel that I use to take my makeup off. I'm just gonna dab some on and see how it works. I don't like, I wish this had like a spout thing like this. I think that would have been better because this is really hard to get anything out. Okay, I got some. We're gonna try it on the eye. And the eyeliner that I just freshly put on. I actually really, I should start using eyeliner again. I stopped using it because I don't like the way wing liner looks on me, but I could just do this kind of liner. Straight and simple. It's real nice. But I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit, a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to gently rub. Oh wow, guys, that did really well. I feel like usually if you use a, look at it, that worked a lot. Wow, I'm so impressed. That's not sarcasm. I've never used a micellar water before, so I wasn't expecting it to be that good. I was expecting to see like a stain on me. A stain on my eyelids from the color, but whoa guys, I never knew a micellar water worked like this. Yeah, oh, got hair on my face. It is definitely taking off my makeup. Let's add a little more in a little different spot. And I'm gonna try my lipstick. Yep. Half my face taken off with the micellar water, and I would like to say this worked pretty dang good. I love it. And the coconut scent is a little bit strong, but it's not like giving me a headache so far. So I love coconut. It's okay. But this is, I need to try more Micellar Waters because I'm loving this one. And if I still love it by the end of this and it doesn't break me out or anything, I'm gonna keep using it. And repurchase. I have now been open to the world of Micellar Waters. Why did it? I've been looking for a good makeup remover. This is the best thing I've used in a really long time. Why have I slept on this? I don't know. But yeah, that's really good. I would say this is a good Petit Vour box. I mean, they're always good. I swear, I'm never disappointed. But I'm gonna end the video here. Tried all the products. I'll link everything down below. And let me know what you guys think of these products, if you've tried them, how they did for you. And like and subscribe, por favor. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!